The cane is chopped into smaller pieces by a chopper machine, then fed into a crushing system consisting of 3 to 5 large steel rollers. Under high pressure, the juice is extracted from the cane, while the leftover bagasse is separated and sent to a different processing area. And what it's used for? Let's save that for a later stage. The young plants are transferred to pots in a greenhouse, where they are carefully nurtured for 2 to 3 months under strictly controlled light, temperature, and humidity conditions. Once the plants are mature, each sugarcane variety is grown separately in test plots. Varieties showing strong growth and minimal pest damage are selected for large-scale propagation. The crystals are then cooled and sent to the packaging stage in various sizes, including large 50-kilogram sacks. These bulk orders are the main source of profit for sugar processing plants, thanks to their large scale, consistent demand, and low distribution costs. Water plays a crucial, life-sustaining role in sugarcane cultivation, especially during the early post-planting stage and throughout stalk and leaf development. Over the course of the growing season, sugarcane requires a total water supply of 1,200 to 2,200 millimeters. Amid the growing crisis of global plastic pollution, repurposing bagasse to produce plastic alternatives not only reduces waste, but also contributes to environmental protection. To explore how these factories work and see the production up close, watch our next videos here. From tiny wool fibers, a meticulous process transforms them into a wide range of products, from sweaters, scarves, and warm socks to blankets, hats, and decorative rugs, serving fashion, comfort, and everyday life. Lamb meat is not only rich in nutrients, but also holds high economic value, making it an important product of the livestock process. After slaughter, the lamb meat is thoroughly cleaned of all wool using an automated processing system, ensuring maximum hygiene.